Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this adorable pandemic care package to give to my cousin for her birthday. So in a normal year, we would celebrate her birthday in person. But this year, we are all self-isolating at home. So birthdays this year are pretty boring. Anyways, so these are some of the items that I found that I thought that my cousin would like. I added some snacks, lotion, a cute mug with packages of milk tea, and a few adorable notebooks that I found at Dollar Tree. I thought that the sign, "Donut Worry," is pretty relevant for the crazy times right now. And hey, who doesn't like Hello Kitty noodles? And last but not least, I included a Hello Kitty mirror because you still want to look good even if you're stuck at home. So if you were to create a pandemic care package to give to someone, what kind of items would you have in it? Let me know in the comments. I hope that you liked this video. Thank you for watching and have a sweet day.